Scientists discover cute prehistoric baby bottles. Scientists say cute ceramic containers were used in prehistoric times to feed animal milk to human babies. Archaeologists recently found 3 such objects in ancient child burial places in Germany. The objects contained very small amounts of milk from cows, sheep, and goats. The oldest of the 3 vessels dated back to the Bronze Age and was between 2,800 and 3,200 years old. Julie Dunn is a biomolecular archaeologist with the University of Bristol in Britain. She was the lead writer of the study. She said, "I think this has provided us the first direct evidence of what foods babies were eating or being weaned onto in prehistory." She added, "I think this shows us the love and care these prehistoric people had for their babies." The cute objects were small enough to fit into a baby's hands. The archaeologists believe they were vessels for milk. They had a narrow spout for the baby to drink the liquid. While the 3 objects examined by the study were somewhat plain, others were in the shapes of animals. Those vessels had animal heads with long ears or horns and human-looking feet. "I find them incredibly cute, and prehistoric people may have thought so too," said archaeologist Katharina Rebe-Salisbury. She is with the Institute for Oriental and European Archaeology of the Austrian Academy of Sciences. She co-wrote the study. "They testify to the creativity and playfulness we often forget to attribute to our ancestors," Rebe-Salisbury added. She noted that life at the time was not easy. Many people lived in unclean conditions, experienced hunger and disease, and faced low life expectancy. During the Bronze Age and the Iron Age that followed in Europe, about 1/3 of all newborns died before their first birthday. Only about half of children reached adulthood, Rebe-Salisbury said. These cute feeding vessels may have made life easier for mothers. Animal milk could be used instead of breastfeeding, the researchers said. This meant the duties of motherhood could also be undertaken by other members of the community when children are fed with feeding vessels, Rebe